Hello and welcome to Let's Learn Some Words. This is a podcast where we learn useful English expressions with simple meanings and clear examples. Today we'll learn 3 expressions: once in a blue moon, joy and thrill, and inspire and uplift. Let's begin. First expression, once in a blue moon, means something that happens very rarely. Example 1. She visits her hometown once in a blue moon. It's been over a year since her last visit. Example 2. We eat at that fancy restaurant once in a blue moon. It's too expensive for us. Example 3. Once in a blue moon, I take a day off just to relax. It feels so refreshing. Second expression, joy and thrill, means strong feelings of happiness and excitement. Example 1. He felt the joy and thrill of winning the game. It was his first victory. Example 2. The children screamed with joy and thrill on the roller coaster. They had so much fun. Example 3. There's a special joy and thrill in learning something new. It keeps life exciting. Third expression, to inspire and uplift, means to encourage and give someone positive energy or ideas. Example 1. Her speech inspired and uplifted everyone in the room. People stood up and clapped. Example 2. Good teachers always inspire and uplift their students. They believe in their potential. Example 3. Beautiful stories can inspire and uplift the soul. They give us hope. That's all for today's episode of Let's Learn Some Words. Today you learned how to use once in a blue moon, joy and thrill, and inspire and uplift. Practice them in your English this week. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.